Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a black frame in Capcut. First, open your Capcut application and start a new project. Import your video clip into the timeline. This simple technique adds a professional touch to your content, making it stand out. We will guide you through each step, ensuring you can easily replicate this effect. Get ready to enhance your videos with a sleek, custom black border. Now let's add the black background. Tap on the canvas option, usually found at the bottom of your screen. From there, select color and choose the darkest black available. This will set your video's background to a solid black. If you prefer, you can also go to stock videos and add a black solid color clip as an overlay, stretching it to fit your entire video duration. With your black background in place, it's time to adjust your video. Select your main video clip on the timeline. Use a two-finger pinch gesture on the preview screen to scale down your video. Carefully reduce its size until you see a uniform black border, or frame, around all four edges. Aim for a balanced look, perhaps leaving a border of about 10 to 15% of the screen width. Before exporting, take a moment to review your video. Play it through to ensure the black frame remains consistent throughout and looks exactly as you intended. If necessary, make any final adjustments to the video's size or position. Once you are satisfied, tap the export button, usually located in the top right corner. Choose your desired resolution, like 1080 pixels, and frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, then save your masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.